And she come back again, I'm like a Mexican. I've been a Mexican, I'm universal. And I'm back again to fill my trap again. Like Quasimodo, ain't no frap again. Up in my bag again, I got the raw hoe.
Hey y'all, what it do, my sweets? Welcome back to the channel, y'all. We are here for another quick drip, y'all. Yes, today we're gonna do another wig review on Mayde Beauty, and this is part of their face framing bang collection. Yes, y'all, this is sexy. You got to check this out. And I have Miss Jayla in the color FF99J 530, and she also comes in some other beautiful colors as well, as you can see down below. So here is our stock card. Yes, in the inside, as you can see, that beautiful kind of like copper color. There's another brown, and then the one I have is sexy, y'all. Yes, so this is inside of the cap. As you can see, this is a middle part. There's two combs up top, and then we also have a comb in the back, and of course we have the adjustable straps. Yes, y'all, she is sexy. Do you see the color on that? Yes, so this is up close and personal. This is beautiful. Look at the different variations of the color. You see the burgundy, you see the purple, and it's not a true black. As y'all can see, it's more of a brownish color. Okay, I wouldn't even call it 1B. It's more of a brownish color, but this is sexy. Y'all know I don't do middle parts, but loving this. And the texture is so soft, and the cut on this is beautiful. So we're going to go ahead and pop her on. Y'all know how we do. Pop her on, see how we looking before we cut off this lace. And I was just trying to adjust her on my head over my wig grip and just running my fingers through her. She is so soft, like beautifully soft. Like feel like your real hair, like you just got your hair pressed out. There's our parting area. That can use a little bit of work. It's definitely right up there up front. We're going to take care of that a little bit later in the video. But honey, let me give y'all some side action with this, okay? This is so cute. In the back, I don't know why it looked like I had a hump back there. I don't know, probably something I was doing. But look at the cut. The cut is very beautiful. And she is so soft and she moves so well. Y'all, I'm in love with this one, okay? Yes. So as I was talking about that middle part, so I'm just going through and pulling strands out and pulling them out strategically. You don't want to pull them out all at once because then you can probably mess up your lace. So I'm going through just pulling like one by one. And then I opened it up really good. And so I'm like, okay, I think I got it somewhat the way that I want it. And I'm going to show you guys in a minute here. But I mean, you know, it looked better than what it did before, right? Yes. And so the inside of the cap is very breathable. But of course, we got to get our tint spray and make sure that we tint her a little bit. And I'll leave the tint spray that I use. I got this off of Wig Types. And this is, I believe, the medium blend. I think I got the medium, but we'll leave it down below. As many times as I use it, I should know which one I use, but hell, I don't. Anywho, so make sure you always shake it up. Oh, see, yeah, boom, there it is, the medium. Shake it up and then make sure that you spray it on there. And I was just showing you that the cap is very breathable. It's very stretchy. I like it. It's really good. Very comfortable. And now we got to cut this lace off, of course. Lace is cut. Now I was going through putting the adjustable straps back to the lowest level that I can kind of get. And then I'm going to pop her back on now that I didn't took all of that off. And we're going to see how we're going to work her. Again, this is a middle part unit. I could have seen if I could have put her on the side. I was getting some shedding, but you do get that after you cut the lace off. So this is how she's looking so far after I done that. I still wasn't too happy with the way that parting area was looking up there. But I'll fix that a little bit later in the video. But that was still kind of bugging me a little bit about this unit. So we'll see. We'll get a chance to talk about it. And then y'all let me know in the comments below how y'all feeling about it. Like I said, I don't like middle parts, but honey, I had to work this. Let's talk.
Back to the channel today. We're here for another quick drip before I get up out of here. Yes. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button at the bottom. Turn on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And without further ado, let's get right into this drip. So y'all, this little cutie little booty on my head. Ain't she sexy though? Ah! And she a middle part girl. What? I did a middle part. Come on now. Today we got cute little Jayla, y'all. This is sexy. I tried this out. I had seen it on Ebonyline and I was like, ooh, I love the way it was framing her face. This is what I had seen and I was like, ooh. I was like, oh, that's sexy. I was like, I gotta try that out. And I'm getting ready to go out to celebrate my husband's 50-ish birthday. But I realized, I was like, oh, I didn't do the review on this. So I was like, let me hurry up and get this out real quick. So I was like, let me get this out to y'all. I said, y'all may want to go cop this too because she is cute, okay? And she's a light yucky texture. What? Let's get into the specs of Miss Jayla. All right, so before we get into the specs, so I have Jayla in the color FF99J530. It has, as you guys seen earlier when I showed you, it has some beautiful, it's got purples, it's got the burgundy, it's got different colors in it. I don't know if you guys can really see it like right now because mostly you see is the burgundy, but it has other colors in there and it's gorgeous. I love it. So the specs on Miss Jayla. So this is a synthetic unit. The length is medium. And then it doesn't say if she's heat safe or not. It says non-slip support, mesh breathable cap. The cap is very breathable. So if you want to save this for like the hot summer months, definitely a good summer wear wig. It has a silicone strip in the back of the unit. I don't know exactly what that's there for, but it's very comfortable. And it says comfortable fit cap, 5-inch lace parting part. It says a middle part unit. And then that's pretty much it. I mean, she's very stretchy. So if you're a big head girl, this is big head friendly. I mean, it's like, it's got a lot of room in there, a lot of room. I had to put those straps like very tight to make it kind of nice and secure, but it has the combs up front. So that makes it a little bit extra secure. So I mean, like, I have like zero cons to this unit. It is all pro. It's sexy, it's beautiful, the color, I love the way it frames my face up here, and then you can also, oh but Jesus, this is sexy. I'm loving this. I'm loving the way this really looks on my head. This is very sexy, very cute. This is very workwear. You can kind of like wear this to work, and you can also wear this out on a date night. Like I said, I'm getting ready to get out of here, go enjoy my weekend. So this is what I'm going to be wearing for the weekend, and it feels so good. So breathable. It's so light. Y'all, if y'all want to get this unit, because I actually went back on there and bought me another color, and I bought this in #1. They also have a copper color as well, which looks very sexy. I might go on there and get that as well. So like I said, I bought it off of Ebonyline. I've also seen it on eBay and Elevate Styles. That's where, I think that's it. I don't think it's on Amazon yet, but if I find it on another site, I'll link everything down below for you guys so you can go get it if you like this unit and this color, y'all. What? What? Do you see that? Girl. This is sexy. It just boom. Right back into place. Yes, this is cute. This is cute, y'all. So y'all know what we do here. Is it a slay or nay? Comment below. Ow! So that's it for this cute little quick little drip, y'all. I love y'all. For all my supporters that's always coming on here commenting and watching my videos, I love you and appreciate you guys so much. I'm about to go and enjoy the weekend. If you want to see how my little weekend goes, go ahead and follow me on my Instagram handle below. You'll get to see what we do to the day and see how this beautiful little cutie hoes up over the weekend. What? All right, you guys. Peace. Love ya.